BDB for sale, battle challenge. Remade the beat a little bit. It's BDB for sale shit. That's what I do. And my battle, just ask my hood about it. Ain't never ran from nobody that was looking for me. Bout dollars, bout business. If it's bout money, then I'm bout getting it. Bout stacking, bout flipping. Bout to see if these niggas really talking what they living. Bout to build an empire off my vision. Bout to X folks out that ain't with me. And the ones that's against me, bout to hate the whole image. About to make people remember real music. And what has made me come to this conclusion is everybody spitting the same garbage. Ain't nobody kicking knowledge. Like what to do with your dollars and how the whole world look at us as targets. My enemies, they wanna see me bleed. Feeling like Pac, I be the last motherfucker breathing. Clutching my Glock, born rebel, never settle for nothing but the best. Tay me in the post, so I looked at it as a test. I burn folk when my mind stressed. And thank God, cause I know I'm blessed. And then I get up and go get it. Got no choice but to keep it true. Look, I'm bad about it, fool. Hey, what about you?